Hi, this is Jason from FCA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at ATFX. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ATFX is a Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2017 in the United Kingdom. This broker is regulated by three top-tier international agencies, which are the FSC, FCA, and the CySEC. You can trade a variety of Forex pairs, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares with ATFX, and there are three flexible account types with competitive trading conditions that you can use to trade on the MetaTrader 4 platform. ATFX offers spreads starting as low as 0 pips, and you can leverage your trades by up to 30 times your initial deposit amount. The minimum deposit required to activate a live trading account with ATFX is $500, and you can fund your account using Great British Pounds, US dollars, or euros. ATFX accepts several payment methods, including credit cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers. ATFX is an excellent choice for beginners because plenty of educational content is provided, but more experienced traders have the advantage of using all the advanced tools that come with the MetaTrader 4 platform. ATFX offers a simplistic, user-friendly website with information about instruments offered and trading accounts displayed on the homepage. You can also find a direct link to the MetaTrader 4 platform features directly from the homepage, and all information regarding licensing and regulations are displayed at the very bottom of the page. To find out more about accounts, platforms, and educational material, simply select a tab from the menu bar. You can find out more about the instruments you can trade with ATFX by clicking on the trading button on the menu bar. Select the instrument you are interested in trading from the drop-down list below the Market section. ATFX currently offers more than 40 currency pairs with tight spreads. As an ATFX client, you will be able to use the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, the auto chartist and trading central plugins, one-click trading, algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and more. ATFX offers 3 trading accounts, as well as demo and swap-free accounts. All accounts allow you to make deposits and withdrawals for free and have a maximum leverage limit of 1 to 30. The Standard and Edge accounts are commission-free, and the Premium account charges commission fees, but the spreads are incredibly low, starting at 0 pips. Other perks of the Premium account include free virtual private servers, raw spreads, one-to-one coaching with ATFX's chief market strategist, access to all ATFX's educational material, and up to £85,000 of your funds are protected by the FSCS. This account is suitable for more experienced and professional traders. We recommend the Standard and Edge accounts for beginners to intermediate-level retail traders. The Standard account requires a minimum deposit of $500, while the Edge account is a higher risk account with a minimum deposit requirement of $5,000. Both accounts offer tight spreads and commission-free trading. The Standard account is an entry-level account, but you will still receive dedicated customer support, and it is a great way to familiarize yourself with the MetaTrader 4 platform, as well as ATFX's trading environment. We do, however, recommend upgrading to the Edge account as you gain more experience, because you will have negative balance protection and tighter spreads, and this account allows hedging and expert advisor trading, making it a suitable option for high-volume traders. If you are prohibited from paying interest on your trades because of your religion, as is the case with Muslim clients, then a swap-free account option is available to you. You can also use a demo account to practice on before making any real financial commitments. Using a demo account is a great way to develop, test and optimize trading strategies, and also helps you develop your trading style and establish healthy trading habits. You will also learn to use the MetaTrader 4 platform, and you'll learn more about risk management techniques. Opening an account with ATFX is simple and easy, however the process may take up to 24 hours. Unfortunately, at the moment, ATFX is not accepting any retail client applications. They are, however, accepting professional clients, and the process pretty much stays the same. Due to ATFX not allowing clients to open demo accounts or create retail accounts, we are unable to show you the features of their platform. The process, however, of creating an account pretty much remains the same. Firstly, launch the ATFX homepage and click on the Start Trading button. The next thing you'll want to do is select your country of residence and choose a trading platform, and then complete the online application. Log into the ATFX client portal and then verify your account and email address. Once your account is approved, you can fund your account and start trading. With regards to educational resources, if you are interested in learning how to trade or would like to refine your trading skills, ATFX provides guides on trading strategies, market analysis and financial events. And there are also plenty of trading webinars, MetaTrader 4 platform guides, in-depth trading courses, and more. If you are comfortable depositing $500 to begin your trading career, then ATFX is a great option for a new trader. Alternatively, you can use a demo account and develop your trading strategy before you make your first deposit. However, you will need to wait until ATFX is accepting applications to open a demo account. This broker also has a vast amount of research tools, which can be used extensively by traders to meet the various trading demands and needs that they may have. These include a proprietary economic calendar, web TV, which contains live recordings, professional financial commentary, and an overview of market movements in addition to actionable trade ideas. There is also a Trading Central, which is a data analysis resource, and a section dedicated to seminars and workshops. Since launching in 2017, ATFX has received many awards and recognitions. Some of their most prestigious awards include the Most Trusted Brand of the year 2021 by the Business Fame Awards, the 10 Most Influential Companies of 2021 by the Chiefs Digest Award, the Best Forex and FinTech Broker by Global Forex Awards of 2021, the Best Forex MetaTrader 4 Broker by Global Forex Awards of 2021, the Top 10 Hot Brands of the Year of 2021 by the CEO Views, and many, many more. Overall, if you are a professional trader or you trade in high volumes, ATFX could be the right broker for you. As an ATFX client, you can diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of Forex pairs, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares. You can also benefit from competitively low, raw spreads and commission-free trading accounts. Not only does ATFX offer premium educational material for beginners, but clients also have the option of learning from one-to-one sessions with ATFX's expert market strategists. ATFX has a 4.8 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot and is a multi-regulated broker that has won several awards since 2017 and offers a comprehensive offering that caters for any traders, whether beginners, experts, or professionals, despite their trading needs or demands. So we recommend opening an account with them once their applications are open again, if you are looking for a trustworthy broker with tight spreads and MetaTrader 4 compatibility. And that is our overview of ATFX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.